It's 97. It's 5:30 p.m. It's going to get up to 98, and then at about 6:30 it'll start dropping down. Oh, here's the sunflowers today. They're looking amazing. Look how good this one turned out. First to bloom. Oh, it's just covered in bugs. Little tiny bees and ants. It is stuffy. That's gonna be cool. This one's gonna be my favorite if I could stop killing it. Ugh, Bruce, I don't know how you can lay out here and sunbathe. So I finished fence, cut that piece off because I'm gonna trade with my neighbors for this other piece of fencing that they've got. And I did some moving around, moved the mint up front, but when I was standing there moving it and putting mint on me, oh, it smells so good when you brush it like this. The mosquitoes were like flying out of here. So I don't know what's up with that. It smells so good. This one's chocolate mint, but I can see them. Oh, that one smells so good. This one needs watered again. Spearmint. Smells so good. Picked through here, pulled out some weeds. The dandelions. I will never let dandelions grow again. I thought, oh, I'll just let them because of the greenery. Yeah, never again. Because they were a nightmare. Oh, did a little bit back here. I need to sweep this up though. Otherwise I'll be plucking bachelor buttons out of here galore. But I did cut it back some, but then there's all these little tiny bees that are trying to work. So I wasn't trying to take away. But I did pilfer through here a little bit, pull out some stuff. And then, oh, I fixed this fence. I wrapped that piece. So it's perfect. And it doesn't, I gotta pick up that stuff. Looks way less trashy. And I managed to make it to like right here. You can see the spots in the dirt where I was able to pull out stuff that didn't belong. Looks good. And then I also fixed this fencing. So that looks, oh, I forgot to shut the gate apparently too. And I left a mess. But this looks much better, and it's going to be able to relax its arms better, I think. Whew, it's hot. It's very hot. I did nothing over here except for take a few plants from this area. I mostly worked where you can see the mess. The messes. I still have half of this to finish. And then I still have this one to pick through a little bit. Ooh, look at that big bee. Ooh, he's a big one. Look how huge he is. He is big. But he's like all hidden in the lily. Bummer. Bummer, bummer, bummer. Oh, there he is. Ooh. Ooh. He got real miffed. So tomorrow, I'll pilfer. Oh, there's that little chipmunk guy. I don't know what they want. You see him? He just runs. runs away. I don't know what they want. I think I saw him digging where I had planted marigolds. And I just planted more marigolds, and I saw him digging where they were. So that was kind of weird. And I didn't think the animals liked marigolds. But what do I know? Oh, there's my son. Home from work, I guess. I see a strawberry. I see a strawberry. And I'm picking it. So sweet. Somebody's like letting off firecrackers or something. That was good. So good. Anyway, so I guess I'll go ahead and end this. I did work on this area over here and cleaning up Bruce's area. I'm going to do some changes over here. Alright, so I will talk to you next time. Sorry it's so short, but interrupted. Bloopers. Interrupted. Bye. Oh, peace, love, and happiness, and I'm wishing you a wonderful day. Alright, bye.